Kaseng UDP ha kasngi palai kata ka khatwai tereng mentau banai kalau ong baka Jingiapynbeit Pud ber kejela Assam kedai ban Iaid Beit Tangba kidai ban Paidbah baro ki beren benta ban yashim ya karai kidai ban don ringkat lang. Habai kren bekinong thok boru president ka UDP ba met baling do ulo ong baka ni ka kam kala dei ka bla sa la slam ha tikumda dan kam ban wad ikilat kilenti ban Pinbeit no kloi. Tamba ulo ong ru ba haswa ban shim ya kanu karai ka sorkar ka dei ru ban shim lang ki Jingiapynbeit na baro kiliang.
I mean, this is very long pending issue. Boundary issue is very long pending issue. They should start. They should initiate, and they should try to find out a solution for all the things. But as I have again and again repeatedly, I've been saying that always take all the stakeholders into confidence before you come up with any kind of decision. Be it border issue, be it any kind of issues which is related to the people of the state. Ensure that all stakeholders are part and parcel of that decision making.